Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your accounts and payment profile because Google ties play store country to billing. Create a new Google Payments profile for the country you want and add a local card or payment method. This is required to change countries. Once done, make sure your Google TV device is signed into the same account. Finally, run a VPN to the target country and keep it active. This helps the device present a matching network location when you change settings. Next, you perform the change itself. Open Payments. Google.com on a browser and create or switch to the payments profile set to the new country, adding the local payment method. Once that profile exists, on the Google TV device, go to Settings Apps Google Play Store and clear cache and data. This forces the store to reevaluate your account. Keep your VPN connected to the target country, then reboot the device so the Play Store sees the new billing profile and network location. Finally, open the Google Play Store on your Google TV while the VPN is active. You should be prompted to switch to the new country, accept the change. Allow up to 24 hours for regional catalogs and subscriptions to update. If you still see the old country, sign out and sign back in, or remove and re-add the Google account. Troubleshooting tip. If switching stalls, remove the old payments profile and recreate the new one, or perform a factory reset only after backing up, because that clears local settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.